there, little chefs! Today, we're gonna learn how to make something healthy and yummy called quinoa. It's a tiny seed that looks like rice but is full of energy and goodness. You can eat it for lunch, dinner. Before we begin, ask an adult to help you in the kitchen. Here are the things you will need. 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water or broth, a pot with a lid, spoon, and a strainer. Step 1. Wash the quinoa. Quinoa has a tiny coating that can taste a little bitter, so let's wash it. Put the quinoa in a strainer, hold it under running water, and move it around with your hand until it's clean. Now it's ready to cook. Step 2. Boil the water. Pour 2 cups of water into your pot and turn on the stove. Be careful. Ask an adult to help. Wait until you see the water start to bubble. That means it's boiling. Step 3. Add the quinoa. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your quinoa to the pot. Give it a little stir, then lower the heat so it's just gently bubbling. Cover the pot with a lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Step 4. Wait and fluff. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove and let the quinoa sit for 5 more minutes with the lid on. Then, open the lid and use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa, thus the fiber, just like you do with rice. Step 5. Eat and enjoy. That's it! You did it! You can eat it by itself or add things like chopped veggies, cheese, a squeeze of lemon, or a little salt and olive oil.
It's tasty, healthy, and gives you lots of energy for school or playtime.
Fun fact, quinoa was eaten by the ancient Inca people who called it the mother of all greens. How cool is that?